What's going on, guys? We're going to be checking out the 2013 Kia Optima. It's actually where Kia really shines. This body is beautiful. Very classy looking car, inside and out. It's got the dual exhaust down at the bottom. Beautiful alloy rims. The little blinkers on the side view mirrors. Go ahead and take a look inside. Inside you got yourself the gray interior with the black carpets. You got your power windows right along the door, power locks, power mirrors, and you also got yourself your gas release and your trunk release. You just pull it. Hopping inside. You have all of the steering wheel's controls right here for your voice or your phone calls. You got your trip meter, eco mode right on the steering wheel. All of your cruise control and your volume controls for the stereo. All of it can be controlled without having to reach around over here. On the stereo you got your MP3, CDs, Sirius radio, Bluetooth, auxiliary. I mean, this thing is fully loaded for you to be able to have a very comfortable music experience. You got the dual 12-volt ports for just both the passenger and driver, the auxiliary port and the USB. Let's see, you also have the automatic transmission with the auto stick feature. 2 cup holders. Inside you have a very roomy center console. You just push this button, you got yourself a glove compartment with the original owner's literature. Bottle holders right along the doors. Your rear view mirror. A visor, so with a mirror so you can make sure you're looking pretty. And the little control right here so you can get some light if you're actually doing that. You have your glasses container there. And you also have handles for all of the drivers and passengers. Let's go ahead and pop it right here. Your traction control is right here. And this vehicle, it does have 110,000 miles. So it's barely been broken in. Both the AC and heater are working extremely well in this vehicle. Let's go ahead and go in the back and see what we're like as a passenger. So, in the back, this is the seat almost all the way back. Again, I'm 5'10", still got tons of room, so it's a very comfortable ride for both driver and passengers. You have the 2 little, I always forget what that's called, but that. And the speakers all around. This is actually a very rich sound system. Checking out the trunk. You have a almost bottomless trunk. I mean, this thing is really big. A beautiful carpet right here that says Optima on it. You just go ahead and lift it up, and you have the tire mobility kit. So it's not actually equipped with a spare tire, but it is equipped with everything that you need in case you do get a spare, which means it brings a fix-a-flat and a compressor so you can actually air up the tire afterwards as well. Taking a look under the hood, the 13 Optima is actually equipped with the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. This is actually a really great vehicle. It has about 200 horsepower and it gets very good fuel economy. So not only are you getting to ride around in style, but you're also getting a very economical vehicle with sufficient power to get you around everywhere so you can feel comfortable and don't have to break the bank. This was the 2013 Kia Optima. Let us know if you have any questions about the vehicle or if you'd like to set up a time so you can come and take it out for a drive. Also, as you know, Westland Auto Sales has all of your in-house needs, whether you have good credit, bad credit, no credit, whatever, we got you. We can help you rebuild your credit through our credit rebuilding program. Our phone number here is 559-444-0123. Let us know that you watched the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye!